I am Warren H. Stewart Sr. My new title is Senior Pastor Emeritus of the First Institutional Baptist Church in Phoenix, Arizona, where I just retired after 48 years of serving as a senior pastor there. I am humbled deeply to receive this award named after my beloved brother, Dr. Paul Eppinger. Paul Eppinger was my brother in the Lord. We fought together for justice in this state. For years, Arizonans thought that the Martin Luther King Jr. holiday was a black holiday. And so Paul and I formed two coalitions. One was Arizonans for Martin Luther King Jr. state holiday, and the other was Victory Together. And we led two successful campaigns. The first one to get the King holiday passed in the state legislature, which was overturned by referendum, and then it was defeated in 1990. So we then formed Victory Together and tried one more time to get the federal motto of the third Monday in January being the King holiday, and we won. But we had to educate Arizona voters that the King holiday is an American holiday, and it is about Dr. King's vision and dream for America to be at its best when it came to treating other people as you would have them to treat you. I would hope that every individual would see a reflection of themselves in everyone else. And if you believe in God, and I would hope they do, but I believe that every human being is made in the image and likeness of God. So whenever I see any human being, whether friend or foe, that person is my brother or sister, because that person, like me, is made in the image of God. So when you view people as being made in the image of God and you see a reflection of you in them, then that might help, that might adjust your behavior on how you relate to them. When we practice the golden rule, the best is coming out of us, and the people with whom we practice the golden rule are receiving the best that we can give them. So when we are in giving and receiving the best in our relationships, it can change the atmosphere and the attitude of virtually any and everyone who wants to be changed. When I minister to those who are naked, those who live on the streets, those who most people either despise or ignore or resent, but when I'm able to reach out to them and treat them like I would want to be treated if I was in their position, that really makes me feel that I'm doing the golden rule. Not when the spotlight is on me, but when I can touch a single person's life to let them know I care and that you are made in the image of God, that to me is living out the golden rule. I'm encouraged that those who believe in the golden rule press forward in spite of whatever opposition we might have, because we know that it's right. We know that it's just. We know that it's the loving thing to do. And therefore, we don't let opposition deter us. Opposition kind of inspires us to press forward. This is the way that Christ would have me to live in the world and interacting with all people, not just some people, but with all people. I learned a few years ago to not ask what's wrong with people, but what happened to people. And so people who are negative or adversarial toward me, I kind of want to find out, why are you in that position? Rather than to be judgmental and write them off. Well, obviously they have a reason that they want to be adversarial toward me. You can't beat the golden rule. I mean, if everyone would live by the golden rule, think what a better world it would be.